In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off Etsy Offsite ads. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's dive right in. Many of you may have noticed that Etsy offers an advertising feature to help boost your shop's visibility. However, sometimes you might want to take a step back and manage your advertisements more closely, especially the offsite ads. Turning them off is quite simple, and I'm here to guide you through the process step by step. To start, you'll need to log into your Etsy account. Once you're in, navigate to the Ads section of your shop. Look for the option labeled Manage Advertised Listings. This will be your main hub for managing which of your products are currently being advertised. Now it's time to find the specific listing you want to start or stop advertising. You have a couple of options here. You can either scroll through all your listings or use the search bar to find the item. Additionally, you can filter the listings by section or their current advertising status, which makes it even easier to locate what you're looking for. Once you've found the listing that you want to manage, look for a button that says Add On Off. This is where the magic happens. If you want to include this listing in your Etsy Ads campaign, simply select the button to turn it on. Conversely, if you want to remove the listing from your campaign, just select the button again to turn it off. It's as straightforward as that. Now, if you're looking to manage multiple listings at once, let's say you have several items you want to advertise or unpublished, you can do so efficiently. Just check the box next to each listing that you want to include in your advertising campaign. If you decide that you want to remove certain listings, just uncheck the box next to those items. It's a great way to save time and ensure you're only advertising what you want to. Once you've made all your selections, make sure to scroll down a bit to find the Update button. It's always a good practice to review your choices before you click that final button. After you click Update, your changes will be saved and your ads will be adjusted accordingly. And there you have it. You've now successfully learned how to turn off Etsy Offsite ads and manage your listings like a pro. Remember, advertising can significantly impact your shop's visibility and sales, so it's always important to keep an eye on what you're promoting. If you have any questions about this process, feel free to drop them in the comments below. Also, if you want more tips and tricks like this to help you navigate and optimize your Etsy shop, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. Thank you for watching and